I'm indeed honored to welcome you all this afternoon to Fiji for this official visit to witness Japan's overseas development projects in Lautoka. Firstly, I take this opportunity to thank the people of Japan and the Japanese government for their commitment in financing development projects for the betterment of our country. Since the project commenced in 2011, I can proudly say that we have learned a lot about 3Rs and are still learning. However, our Pacific friends and neighbors say that we are now experts in 3Rs. Since the project commenced in 2011, I can proudly say that we have learned a lot about 3Rs and we are still learning. However, our Pacific friends and neighbors say that we are now experts in 3Rs. Let me also add that our Pacific brothers, they have been coming here in Lautoka for training as well, and we have assisted our Pacific brothers in terms of training. Lautoka City, Nandi, Singatoka and Ba Municipal Councils are some of the proud recipients of the project and have taken great interest in many awareness of the 3R to its right place. My ministry looks forward to further cooperation from the Government of Japan in the areas of waste management, and I promise that we will utilize your assistance wisely for the betterment of the environment. Our Prime Minister, you may be aware, is championing the climate change, not only here, but throughout the world. We also have a standing committee on environment within Parliament. And I only wish and hope that if the delegation have time, I will organize a meet tomorrow, say for 5 or 10 minutes at least. You can have an audience with the Environment Committee, a standing committee here in this country as well. Before I conclude, I would like to acknowledge the great support that my municipalities are receiving here, your office in Suva, and in particular His Excellency the Ambassador for his support. And by end of this month, we will receive some compactor trucks with the kind donation of the Government of Japan. We really appreciate the support that we have given. I do hope that you will all enjoy your short stay here in our beautiful country, and I wish the delegation a very successful trip. Thank you and Vunato.
Thank you very much.